Tupon. Shoot. Tupon. 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 Time to shoot. Tupon. Time to shoot. Tupon. Time to shoot. Tupon. 3 points, 3 points. 35 seconds. Round 3. Nice shot. Easy basket. Bam. Easy basket. Tupon. Nice pass sana. Tupon. Tupon. Drop pass to Kevin. Easy basket. Bam. Pang-sabong lead. Tupon. Nothing but net. Bam. Back to back. 20 seconds. Bam. 2 points. Time to shoot. 3 points. 14. Ryan. 14. Bam. 3 points. Two points. Bam. 2 points by Asgi. Lumipad. Ang ganda nila nun. 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. Kevin. Oh, 2 points. 2 seconds. 2 points for Johnny.
Johnny boy! Nice!
2 points. Bam. 3 points. Bam. Oh, nice deep. Nice defense. 2 points. Easy basket by Sian.
Ito parang yung handle na puti. Gagay yung palaman doon.
Foul move by Ryan.
Ay, pasahan mo ako kuya!
Nice pass. Good pass by Grancho.
Mabata ka ba? Sabay yan naman sabay kamalin eh.
1 minute and 42 seconds. Easy layup by Sian. 10. 5. Three-head abi daw, sabi ni Dan. Hey, Ras, easy basket. Rapas to Felipe.
Tanggalin mo ito.
No good.
Tanggalin mo ito.
2 points, time mo na.
Papasukan po tayo.
Back, 2 points, now. Pull up again, back, 2 points, by Buck.
Pwede naman kasi i-board ring.
Back, 3 points. Pull up, back, 2 points. Jordan. Grabe naman yun. Good move, Patty.
Uy, parang tataw. Ayan, nakakabas sila sa
Back, 2 points.
Ibiban.
1 minute and 30 seconds. Pull up, let's go. 35 seconds remaining. Back. Okay. 2 points is good. Back.
Baba. Puta ka na, pagod na.
6 minutes remaining. Back. 3 points. Ating mangyari dito,
Go, go! Go!
Back. 2 points.
Di kayo kailang gagawin ko to
Ano, may ganun na pala, Will. 2 points by Will. And to shoot. Back. 2 points. What a pass by Jordan. Back. Grabe, pangalaw yung galawan. Minutes and 5 seconds remaining. Oh, 23. Short. Foul. Time remaining 1 minute and 22 seconds. Foul. 30 seconds. 3-0. Foul. 10. 5. Sayang guys. Lalaw sila ng dalawa. Nais sila pa itaklaw. Kagagawan mo rin yun eh.
Okay, next game. Walang bumaba pa, wala ko lang.
Back to points by Esmero. 2 points by Tech. 2 points. 2 points by Tech. Rio, pull up, 2-pointer. Lucky Pounds, 2 points. Two points. Another 2 points. Another 2 points by Tech. Gotta be the first, but no good. bigyan mo ka pala. 2 points. Di ka nag-update yung dalawa. Sia. Easy basket by Sia. Yogi. 2 points.
Last game.
2 points.
Mortar na kabantay.
Bang. 2 points.
Uli.
2 points. Set for 3. Wow. 15 seconds remaining. 10 seconds remaining. 2 points. That's for 2. Short. Rebound by Lodi. Pull up. 2 points.
Oo, libre yan.
Kumayag pa.
2 points. 5 points. Kinulat ka na ni Sia. Easy basket by Sia.
Ang dala pero.
Yo, bago. Ito ba yun? Yo. Yo. Ito ba yun?
2 points. 2 points.
Sabi mo ba yan? Yan? Hindi. Ang bata eh.
2 points. Ooh. Good. 2 points. Good. Ooh. 2 points. Ano ba? Good. 2 points. Ah, 2 points. 5. Sia. 2 points. Ah, 3 points. 5. 2 points.
Ito doon.
4 minutes remaining. Ah, 3 points. Two points.
Ito, panalo kami. Nagsamagita, no?
2 points, perfect. Walang yun guys, dalawa na. Magandang laban to. Patengka. 3 points by Grenzo. Grenzo, hitting the ball. Pasa ay 2 points by Sian. Ang ganda na sana kasi binasa na sa kalaban. Take the second. 2 points. Spray hang ba? 2 points. Bang! 3 points striker B. Kinangat ba? Hindi. Step back. Ambo! Marty. Ayun na. Good boy. Let's see. Yeah. 40 seconds. Good boy. Sa'yo pinasa. Bedrock. 4-3. Bam! Ayan na. Tubular. Tuboy. Adwin. Wale. Pasa pala yun, no? Good. Still. Pinasa play check to boy. Ito Gary. Sabi na naman ako. Tuboy.
Pagkano, marami na siya. Last ko,
Ay, puso. Ambo, pare siya kay Ambo. Bunga. Tuboy. Aray ko sa. Tuboy. Tuboy.
pinanggal sila.
Tuboy. 17 seconds. Five. Alright, guys. 28-23. Guys, para